Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have another video in the Inside Out series. This time we're going to draw Disgust. I have tutorials on how to draw all the characters from both Inside Out movies, so be sure to watch them. The links are in the description to this video. We always start our drawing with a sketch. The only exception is when we don't really care about proportions. This was the case, for example, in the Siren Head drawing, where we drew directly with markers. Check out this video, it's in the top right suggestion now. Start your sketch with the eyes as they are almost in the center. Gradually move towards the edges. Draw the eyes, the nose, the outline of the bangs, and the rest of the hair. It's best to draw first with a pencil, so that if you don't like something, you can immediately erase the error and correct it. Do not press on the pencil too hard. Also, draw the contour of the eyebrows and mark where the eyelashes will be. Then draw the line of the chin, neck, torso, and finally the hands. Hands are always the most difficult. I redraw them several times until I like their shape. Next, draw the outline of the lips and mouth. Also, draw the tongue, which is sticking out. Finally, draw the outline of the teeth. Move on to coloring. We always start with a base color. In this case, it's light green. Color the whole face and hands, leaving the eyes, mouth, and lips untouched. Color the hair almost entirely, leaving white only the places where the hair touches the head. We will have shadow there and color it a bit later with green pencils. For the eyes, I draw the iris with pencils since they can create more volume and realism. I've done a gradient as you see the iris gets lighter towards the pupil. Then I draw the pupil with a dark green marker, but you can also use black. Use the same marker to outline the eyes from above, creating a shadow. Next, with a green pencil darker than our base tone, but not too dark, draw shadows around the eyes and under the nose. With a black gel pen, outline the eyes, giving them more volume and creating a smoky eye look. Then use green pencils of different shades and draw the glare with a white gel pen. Take a dark green pencil and draw the eyebrows and shadows under the eyes. Also, draw shadows under the hair near the face. Use the same pencil or another dark one to draw the hair, each individual strand. Use a dark green marker to add more shadows, especially in the hair area. Use pencils to draw the hair more thoroughly, utilizing different shades of green. Also draw shadows under the arms and on the shoulders. Identify the light source. The shadow also falls on the left side of Disgust's face. Draw these shadows with a pencil slightly darker than the base color. So far, the shadows look sloppy, but a little later I'll make everything smoother. With a red pencil, draw the lips and tongue. I also added a light red pencil blush to the cheeks, but unfortunately the camera didn't record this moment. Once you've made the basic background for the lips and tongue, draw a clearer outline using a burgundy fine liner. Add more realism, shadows, and shine with pencils and pens, not forgetting about our light source. Use a grey beige pencil to draw the shadows on the teeth, and then outline them with a black pen. Use the same pen to fill in the inside of the mouth. With a purple felt tip pen, draw the base color of the scarf. Then, I thought to color the dress with a green gel pen, but instead used a dark green marker to fill in the base color. Add shadows and highlights with pencils and pens. Use a dark purple felt tip pen to add shadows at the scarf and under the chin. Finally, draw some highlights with a dark green thin felt tip pen as I showed. Almost at the end, I wanted to add more contrast, so I took the dark green marker again and added more saturated shadows. I almost forgot to draw the eyelashes on the second eye. For them, I use a light green pencil and outline the bottom with a darker pencil. And it's done! Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of interesting videos ahead. See you soon. Bye.